मित्रांसंगे मालावरती पतंग उडीत फिरताना तुला पाहिले गवतावरती झुळता झुळता असताना विसरून गेलो
काय झालं चंपा?
मला काही समजलं नाही.
Like Champa, over 4 million children feel left behind in the classroom, with many eventually dropping out. To bridge this gap, the Learning Links Foundation steps in by making learning fun, personalized, and full of possibilities. They help every child discover their strengths through creativity, curiosity, and confidence. Learning Links Foundation is guided by the belief that every learner deserves an equal opportunity. This transformative journey began with Dr. Anjali Prakash, an educationist who firmly believed that every child deserves access to quality learning. Driven by this vision, she founded the Learning Links Foundation in 2002, a non-profit committed to transforming learning by unlocking its lifelong impact, guided by the belief that each one of us is essentially a learning being.
For more than 2 decades, we have worked with communities across India, bringing education and opportunity to places where they are needed most. At Learning Links Foundation, we build modular and context-responsive learning pathways. These pathways are embedded in schools, in communities, and within public systems at large. At its core, our work is about partnership. We team up with local communities to create opportunity, empowering teachers, educating kids, and helping adults, especially women, build futures they once only dreamed of.
अरे चंपा लवकर कर.
थांब आली.
Champa and her friends go to school every day. Because now, learning feels different. Her school is no longer the same. It's more joyful, more creative, and full of new ways to learn. This change is part of the Learning Links Foundation's holistic education program, which aims to bridge learning gaps and improve the quality of education, especially in underserved communities. Along with studies, the program also focuses on child's holistic development through sports and well-being. Because true education isn't just about textbooks. It's about helping every child grow intellectually, emotionally, and socially.
शाळेत फक्त पुस्तकेच नाही तर इथे दररोज काहीतरी नवीन शिकायला मिळतं. कधी खेळ, कधी कला आणि नृत्य. संगणक लॅबमध्ये जातो. प्रत्येक विषय वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने शिकवला जातो. म्हणून आता शाळेत येणे खूप मजेशीर वाटतं.
Champa's friend Kaveri loves spending hours on the computer. For her, it's like entering a whole new world. Through the Digital Literacy Initiative, students like Kaveri gaining confidence in using technology. They learn essential 21st century skills, including how to find, evaluate, create, and communicate information responsibly. This program empowers them to become smart, safe, and informed users of digital tools and online content, ready for the future.
आपल्याला इथे संगणक लॅब मिळतो. मी पहिल्यांदाच इथेच संगणक वापरायला शिकली. आता मला इंटरनेटवरून प्रोजेक्ट तयार करणं सगळं येतं. मला खूप खूप मजा येते.
This understanding has also reached Champa's brother Rahul. At his school, he's not only developing digital and life skills, but also receiving valuable career guidance, equipping him for life beyond the classroom. With counseling, students like Rahul are now empowered to make informed decisions about their careers and higher education.
हे माझं शाळेतील शेवटचे वर्ष आहे. आम्हाला शाळेमध्ये करिअर मार्गदर्शन सत्रही मिळतात. आता मला माहिती झालं आहे की मला भविष्यात काय बनायचं आहे. त्यासाठी कसा अभ्यास करायचा, कोणता कोर्स करायचा हे सगळं स्पष्ट झालं आहे.
Rashi also received guidance from Learning Links Foundation. Once struggling with basic math and having dropped out, she is now actively experimenting in the Atal Tinkering Labs, ATLs. These labs bring hands-on, future-ready STEM learning to students. The Atal Tinkering Labs foster creativity, problem-solving, collaboration, and entrepreneurship, especially among students from underserved backgrounds. This initiative has helped schools become hubs of innovation and excellence.
Earlier, I had no idea about tinkering. Even I didn't know how to do the basic circuits. So then there was an orientation workshop in our school's auditorium. So I got to know that there's such a lab, there's such thing, Atal Tinkering Labs, where I can go and actually build what's in my mind. So I can get my ideas into real life. Then I asked my teacher how I can get into this, and then I enrolled into ATL Labs. Then I started working here. Then there is this ATL adoption program under which a trainer comes and she guides us about everything.
Learning Links Foundation has been a very strong trusted partner since 2017 for Atal Innovation Mission. They have not just been a partner in terms of implementing the schemes and initiatives, but have also played a critical role in policy formulation, in strategies of national importance, also bringing in their expertise from on-ground learnings and their policy understanding. This has been very instrumental for driving some of the initiatives to the ground, including Atal Innovation Mission, Digital India, Skills India. Some of these initiatives would not have been possible without a strong commitment and support from Learning Links.
Development has touched Rashi's mother, Geeta's life as well. Under the Women Entrepreneurship Program, WEP, she received skill training and mentorship to help her build her micro-enterprise. The program collaborates with government bodies like the National Rural Livelihood Mission and local partners to drive impact at scale.
With the support from self-help group, Geeta received a loan and was able to launch her own business, marking a new beginning towards self-reliance and growth.
मैं पहले भी बुटीक चलाती थी, पर मुझे फ़ायदा नहीं था. जब मैं मैम से मिली और मैम से मिलने के बाद उनसे मैं ट्रेनिंग ली और वो सब मुझे आगे आगे बताई और मैं उसी तरह से काम की. तो मुझे अभी बहुत अच्छा फ़ायदा मिल रहा है. मैं अपने पति को, अपने घर को बहुत हेल्प कर रही हूँ हर तरह से. जो मेरे बच्चे को ज़रूरत पड़ता है वो भी मैं कर सकती हूँ और करती हूँ और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है उनसे ट्रेनिंग लेना और काम करना.
In addition, the Financial Literacy Program, FLP, focuses on building financial knowledge, improving access to welfare schemes, and fostering inclusion at the household level. This initiative has empowered women to increase their income, gain decision-making power, and achieve greater socio-economic independence. In doing so, they have become role models for others, driving both community development and economic growth. Building on this impact, Learning Links Foundation's efforts to improve lives have been recognized both in India and across the globe.
Over the years, Learning Links Foundation has received several prestigious awards, including the ASSOCHAM Diversity and Inclusion Award and the CSR Impact Award by CSR Box.
The foundation was also a finalist at the Reuters Responsible Business Awards and BET Asia, and in 2023 received the Indian CSR Award for Best Social Initiative.
Each number we have reached tells the story of a life that was enriched, a life in which potential was given an opportunity. And that's what we would like to continue doing. Build resilient communities that sustain lifelong learning and shape their own future.
Learning doesn't just open minds, it opens doors to growth and opportunity, paving the way for a future full of possibilities. The goal isn't to change how we learn, but to create a culture where learning never stops.